Honorable MLA Dr. Divya Rani may move the resolution.
Sir, the House unanimously resolves and recommends the government that self-defense training classes by qualified trainers should be introduced for female students at the grassroots level, tailored to fit into school and college curriculum within the NCRT, SCRT, and within NEP framework, and for women across sectors, especially rural areas, so that the goal of women empowerment will be achieved.
Honorable Chief Minister.
Speaker, sir. Goa Samagra Shiksha under the Gender and Equity Intervention Implementation of the Saksham program titled Rani Lakshmi by Atma Raksha Prashikshan. The program involved the training of the girls and self-defense for the three months for every year. The program was introduced in 2017 onwards for the all government middle school, high schools and higher secondary schools from the standard 6 to 12. The school appointed a trained self-defense instructor and conducted the self-defense classes for the 3 months in a year. The Saksham program is implemented in all government middle school, high school and high secondary school every year. Rupees 15,000 was sanctioned to the 67 government high school, government high secondary school, 18 PM Shri school and 37 middle school with the total approval of the 15.60 lakhs and rupees 10.5 lakhs, and for the secondary school is 5.55 lakhs for the elementary in the year 24-25 for the 3 months and honorarium of the self-defense instructor. In the year 25-26, the project approval board has not approved the Saksham program. However, it was implemented in all the 22 PM Shri school with the total approval of the 6.3 lakhs under the PM Shri school. In this regard, the government will train all the physical education teachers as a master trainer in a self-defense who interim shall train the girls in those respective schools.
Speaker sir, माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्याक तुम्ही आता म्हणले वर्षातल्यान 3 महिने I think they are getting trained, but many of our schools in the rural areas, I don't think they are still undergoing getting these the children are getting trained and having these martial art classes, because at least आमचे तरी भागानी, because people can't afford this, but I would recommend that especially sir, why I brought this resolution today is because we all remember what has happened in 2012, the horrific Nirbhaya case, actually which shook the entire nation, the conscience of the entire nation, because it was not an attack on one girl or one woman. It was an attack on the dignity of every woman and safety of every woman of India. And I think it is actually a painful truth for every woman here that we face danger simply for stepping out outside in society. So, and maka dista ki empowerment should begin at a young age, because school is not only for just learning and academic learning, but I think it prepares your whole character and your confidence, your mental strength, and and it equips them with practical skills to protect themselves and stand up with courage. So the aim of these sessions, and it should be like how there is a PE class every day for students in school, like sports class astas, they play football or cricket or something like that. So it should be like compulsory at least 3 times a week, not 3 months in a year. It should be at least 3 times in a week, because in cities, the parents can afford to send their daughters to private classes for taekwondo, for karate, all that kind of thing. But in rural areas, the families can't afford that. So taje khatir parwadna म्हणून this awareness should be created from the rural areas, and not only for children and for young girls from schools or colleges, but I feel for rural women also. आमचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्याचे RDA department असा, which is doing such a great job with self-help groups and clustered families, त्यांचे CLF असा, आणि these CLFs have they start their own business and whatever. So through that तांकां तर कितें incentive मेळ्ळी. So this is like training at rural level for women. So basically this is just, I think, for the women, a woman to understand that hope is not lost, because here we are just trying to instill in young girls and women of India, I think, and especially Goa, I can talk for Goa, because a sense of confidence, mental and physical strength and awareness and the technique. Because I feel that if you, like a man can overpower a woman only physically, and I don't think mentally we know that we women are very strong. And we don't need to be told in that aspect. But physically, yes, I can say we are weak compared to a man. And that is the only reason that we see cases like Nirbhaya cases or the horrific cases that are it has not stopped. It is chalu's asa. And we see it every second day. We read about it, we hear about it all across India, that the rape cases, the molestation or the abuse that happens, whether it's the good touch, the bad touch, all this awareness has to be created, I think, from school, the domestic abuse that is happening. So I think for a woman, when a woman feels confident and she's equipped with the technique, I don't think this can happen to a woman who is in the police force or in the armed forces. Most of these cases won't happen to them because they are equipped, they have the technique, and nobody can mess with them. But I feel when a woman doesn't have the technique, doesn't have the physical strength, such things happen to a woman, and that's the reason those men or whatever can overpower one woman. It could be one man or 10 men or whatever, but it is a sad story that happens across India. And I think slowly, if we give that confidence to a girl child, to a woman, I think we can achieve that. And I think we should start this from schools and colleges. And I think the hope that we can give is only through awareness, through preparedness, and through empowerment. Because I think it's our collective duty and moral responsibility to speak about these issues, whether, like I said, about domestic abuse, whether it's rape, whether it's molestation, whether good touch, bad touch. I think it is just each one of us has to speak about it and work towards it. Because as a woman representative in this house, I feel it is my moral duty to raise this issue and initiate a dialogue, and which I'm confident will eventually be taken to fruition. Speaker Sir, as much as we do today, it will still require us to keep doing more tomorrow. And hope is the only thing, and I urge the government that to work in coordination with like the Home Department, Education, Women and Child, and RDA Department can, through the self-help groups, can work towards this. So these measures can be implemented and ensures that this initiative reaches every corner of our state, schools, colleges, and the rural areas. Because I know that women are not weak, they are resilient, capable, and powerful. We need to provide them the right environment, training, and encouragement to ensure that every girl and woman in Goa or India feels confident, aware, and empowered, because strong woman is a safer world. Thank you, Speaker Sir. And I'm sure Honorable Chief Minister would look into this.
Dr. Shatia.
आजचे जे हे प्रायव्हेट मेंबर रेजोल्युशन आमचे ऑनरेबल MLA डॉक्टर दिव्यान हे केला, इट्स जस्ट अ रिजोल्युशन ना जाल्यार ही एक नेसेसिटी आसा. हांव जस्ट सांगता, आमच्या इंडियेन 4,45,000 क्रायम्स जाला अगेन्स्ट वुमेन इन 2022 अकॉर्डिंग टू नॅशनल क्रायम रेकॉर्ड ब्युरो. आणि हो जो नंबर सांगता रिमाइंड्स कितें करता की safety and empowerment should go hand in hand. There are a lot of studies done about women safety, child safety. And खास करून एक स्टडी सांगता which is done by Dr. Nibidita Mohanty and Dr. Smita Naik. Policy imperative for inclusion of self-defense training in the curriculum for girls' education and evaluative study on the Odisha perspective. And हे स्टडीन एक्झामिन केला कितें, it is not just only the protection, पण हांकां जर आमी ह्या चलयांक जर सेल्फ डिफेन्स दित जाल्यार तांचो त्या भुरग्यांचो, स्टुडंट भुरग्यांचो, चली भुरग्यांचो तांचो कॉन्फिडन्स वाडटा. इट रिड्यूस वल्नरेबिलिटी टू हॅरेसमेंट, जशें दोतोरान सांगलां तशें, एंड एनहान्स देयर पार्टिसिपेशन इन सोसायटी. सिमिलरली बाकीचे स्टडीज आसा, एंड दीज स्टडीज हॅव क्लियरली प्रूव्ड दॅट सेल्फ डिफेन्स ट्रेनिंग इम्प्रूव्स सेल्फ एस्टीम, सेल्फ एफिशियन्सी एंड अवेअरनेस ऑफ रायट अमॉंग यंग चिल्ड्रन्स. आणि जी भुरगीं ही ट्रेनिंग घेता ती जर पळयशे जाल्यार ती ग्रेट एस्पिरंट म्हणजे ती आपल्या करियरान शिक्षणान म्हणजे स्ट्रॉंग असतात ती सेल्फ डिफेन्स असतात आणि त्याच्यामुळे कशें जाता तांची एज्युकेशन करियरानय ती बरी करतात आणि अलॉंग सायड तांचे हेल्थूय इम्प्रूव जाता आणि वेलबिंगय इम्प्रूव जाता. Honorable Speaker, this is not just about teaching physical technique. It is about instilling courage, resilience and independence. It is about ensuring that every young woman in Goa feels safe, secure and empowered to pursue her education and career without fear. I therefore urge the government to allocate resources for trained instructor, structured module and proper monitoring. This program must be implemented urgently and uniformly across Goa, ensuring that every girl has access to this vital skill. This is not merely an educational reform. It is a social reform. By equipping our daughters with the tool of self-defense, we are investing in their safety, dignity and future. Let Goa lead the way in human empowerment. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
Shri Pramen Shet.
स्पीकर सर, आज जे प्रायवेट मेंबर रेजोल्युशन डॉक्टर दिव्या राणी हाडला तेजेर उलोवपाक उबर आला. स्पीकर सर, आमचे गव्हर्मेंट सदांच कंटिन्युअस एफर्ट्स करता की आमच्या भुरग्यांच्या ओवरऑल डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक लागून आनी आमी पळयता आमचे भुरगीं सदांच ह्या क्षेत्रांनी म्हणजे आर्ट कल्चर हितून फुडें सरता. तशेंच आज आमच्या भुरग्यांक लागून म्हणजे स्पेशली गर्ल चायल्ड बरें फुडें येवपाक जाय, तेजें जर ओवरऑल डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक जाय जाल्यार ताका आमी मेंटली तशें फिजिकली फीट तयार करचें पडटलें आनी हे फिटनेस दवरलें आनी स्कील जर ताका दिल्यो जाल्यार तेज्या सारके भुरगीं जीं आसा ही रणरागिणी म्हणून फुडें आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटली. म्हणजे ज्या थंय अर्थे आयज लोकांचो दृश्टिकोन आहा गर्ल चायल्ड जाल्यार भुरग्यांक लेडीज जांक पळोवपाचो जे आयची जी परिस्थिती आहा ती परिस्थिती आमकां बदलपाचो काही तरी एफर्ट्स घालचे पडटले आनी हे एफर्ट्स जर घालतलो जाल्यार ह्या स्कुला पासूनच हांकां हे शिक्षण दिवप खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आहा. स्पीकर सर, आज आमचे प्रायमरी स्कूल जे आसा म्हणजे पयले पासून ते चवथी पर्यंत ह्या स्कुलांनी हांव मागपाक सोदता स्पीकर सर की फिजिकल एज्युकेशन टिचर्स आमच्या ह्या प्रायमरी स्कुलांक दिल्ले ना. म्हणून एक प्रयत्न जर असो केलो की एखाद्या एक 2 दिसांनी एकदा किंवा एक विकली 2-3 फावटी अशा जर स्कुलांक जर फिजिकल एज्युकेशन टिचर जर दिले जाल्यार तांकां आपल्या फिटनेसाक लागून एफर्ट्स घालपाक मेळटले आनी एक अवेरनेस क्रिएट जातले की सगळ्या भुरग्यांकूय आपल्या शरिराचेर कशें नियंत्रण दवरचें कशें तेजेर केअर घेवचें हे एक आमच्या भुरग्यांकूय तेन्ना कळटलें. हांव मागता स्पीकर सर की आमच्या एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान स्पेशली खुबशे डेव्हलपमेंट केल्ले आसा आतां ह्या ओवरऑल डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक जाय भुरग्यांचें म्हणून हो एक जर आमी विचार केलो जशें छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजाच्या वेळाचेर प्रत्येक स्त्रियेक तितलोच मान सन्मान मेळटालो पूण आयज जी परिस्थिती आसा ऑफकोर्स गोंयांत आमच्या खूब बरें वातावरण आसा आनी आमच्या क्रायम रेट सुद्दां आमची कमी आसा पण कालांतरान हे विशय जे आतां फुडें जर जाय आमकां सुदारपाक जाय जाल्यार जो विशय मांडलेलो आसा तेजेर सरकारान विचार करचो अशें मागणी करता स्पीकर सर.
Shri Alice Lawrence.
Speaker sir, I would congratulate Mrs. Dr. Divya Rani for bringing this resolution also. It's not about, first I would like to, येसले पड incidents जाता तेजे निश्चित करपाक. This type of incidents are not tolerable in society, especially in our state. So I would first congratulate her. I would support her also fully for such type of things. आता कितकोन करतलो? Like Dr. Shetty certainly says, she says a woman going out of the house or going safely out of the house is a challenge. Like Dr. Shetty says that it's not about just instilling techniques of safety. It's about creating a sense of awareness, strength in a woman, in a student, in a small child, a girl child, right from school. I would request the Chief Minister to have some classes from a specialist. Could be both girls, could be a lady instructor. There are so many instructors. Give at least 3-4 schools one instructor for the time being. As it is, we are having the challenge of having permanent teachers. When we have a challenge of having permanent teachers only, I would request the Chief Minister to have a trainer who does it specifically. म्हणजे class training, म्हणजे तेका होरें बसता कोण दवरपा जाय म्हण न्ही. Not a political appointee, but a person who is सारको in person, म्हणजे तो खरें techniques जाणा, खरें safety standards जाणा, खरें rules जाणा, behavior patterns जाणा. भुरग्यांक is not today is as in a world where the children are so sensitive. आमचे तेंपार आमी भुरगे आसतना आमकां पाय आवय पाय कितें माल जालें देखून आमकां काय म्हणा आसलें. टिचरीन माल जाल्यार आमी म्हणटाले टिचरीन माल जाल्यार आनी 2 घे, तुका टिचरीन कित्याक माल काय म्हण. आज when the situation is different, आता पयलीं भाशेन ना situation, the child is so sensitive, इतलें sensitive आहा ते भाशेन. Not only actually incident job is not only harming the child, harming the mental balance of the child even. Therefore, I would request the Chief Minister, कोण बरे persons घाल, ते कोण आनी पाड जावपा जायना, कोण आनी तीन आनी भुरग्यां आनी दुसरी वस्तून a different set of mindset change करूं जायना as far as other things is concerned. Speaker sir, again I am congratulating her and I would look forward from the government to have it immediately done. Thank you, Speaker sir.
Honorable Minister.
स्पीकर सर, डॉक्टर देविया राणी हांच्यांनी मांडलेल्या आयच्या ह्या प्रायव्हेट रेजोल्युशनाचेर डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत शेटये, प्रेमीन आनी अलेक्स बप हे तिगूय जाण उलयले. स्पीकर सर, हांव कळपाक जाय म्हणून सांगता, बींग गोवा 100% लिटरसी आणि त्याच बरोबर हायस्कूल आणि हाय सेकंडरी पयली गजाल आमी कावन्सिलर्स अपॉयंट केल्या आणि हे कावन्सिलर्स अपॉयंट करता आसतना तेंच्या कडल्यान 1-to-1 कावन्सिलींग आसतलें हें सातत्यान आमी करता. आणि एनईपीच्या पयलीं सुद्दां आमी फॉर द व्हॅल्यू एड्युकेशन, फॉर द मोरल एड्युकेशन्स ह्या पद्दतीचें एड्युकेशन जें आसा हें सातत्यान हायस्कूल आणि हाय सेकंडरी लेवलाचेर प्रमोट केलां आणि हातूंतल्यान तांकां हाव टू डील विथ द सिच्युएशन्स हे धडे जे आसा हे सातत्यान दिता. आणि मदीं आमी जशें म्हटलें तशें राणी लक्ष्मीबाई आत्मरक्षण प्रशिक्षण हो कार्यक्रम आमी 3 म्हयन्या खातीर राबयतालो आनी सगळ्यांचे म्हणणें आयकल्या उपरांत बट एकंदर जे आसा पळय न्ही, नो डावट म्हणजे चलये भुरग्यांक आसत, फिजिकल फिटनेस इज इम्पॉर्टंट, डिफेन्स एड्युकेशन इज ऑल्सो दॅट मच इम्पॉर्टन्स. आणि ह्याच बरोबर त्या खातीर NCC आसतले किंवा बाकीचे अशे सब्जेक्ट हे सगळ्या स्कुलांतल्यान आमी इंट्रोड्यूस करता, बट स्पेशली फॉर द फिजिकल एड्युकेशन टीचर. तांच्यांनी सांगलें तें सगळें कन्सिडर करून म्हजें तर म्हणणें आसा की आमी आतां पर्यंत पॉलिटिकल अपॉयंटी बीन आतां कोण आनीक जायना, आतां सगळें स्टाफ सिलेक्शनांतल्यान जाता. इवन दो कावन्सिलर सुद्दां जे आसा पळय न्ही आमचे, इट इज अ वेल ट्रेन आनी फॉर लास्ट 6 वर्सां ते ट्रेनिंग घेतल्या उपरांत जे ते एकदां पेरंट्सां कडेन उलयनात, टिचरां कडेन उलयनात, ते आमच्या कावन्सिलरां कडेन उलयता. अशो सो मेनी केसीस म्हणजे कावन्सिलरांचे आयकल्या उपरांत कळटलें. हातूंतल्यान म्हणजे स्पीकर सर, ही सिच्युएशन कशी आसा, इट इज एन एडॉलसन पिराय आनी ह्याच्या संदर्भात वेगवेगळ्यो गजाली वेगवेगळ्या टायमार ज्यो जावपाक शकता त्यो डील करपा खातीर अशा पद्दतीन तांकां दोनूय आमी जशें म्हणटा की मोरली बुस्ट करपाक जाय, सिच्युएशन हँडल करपाकूय कळपाक जाय आनी ते फायट करपाकूय बी कळपाक जाय. आनी ताकाच लागून एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट हांव एक गजाल नक्कीच सांगता की आमी सगळी कडेन जी की फिजिकल टिचर अपॉयंट करता म्हणजे आमच्या हायस्कुलांनी सगळ्या तांकां सेल्फ डिफेन्सची ट्रेनिंग दिता आणि तांच्यांनी जी आसा पळय कारण आतां कशें जालां स्पीकर सर की NEP इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जाल्या उपरांत देर इज एन व्हेरी सामको कमी स्कोप उरता. कारण आमी पयरूच डिस्कशन्स केला की 1200 आवर्स हेज्या आवर्सान तांकां खूब कमी वेळ मेळटा आनी तितूंतलो वेगळो वेळ जो आसा पळय न्ही वो डिफेन्स क्लासीस घेवपाक आनी इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कारण सिलेबस पिरियड आनी इतके मोठ्या प्रमाणात जाला, खूब कमी वेळ जो मेळटा. बट तरी सुद्दां तेचो PE सब्जेक्ट हो कायम आसता. म्हणून स्पीकर सर, ह्या रेजोल्युशन येवच्या पयलीं हांवें ऑलरेडी म्हज्या एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन डिस्कस केला की सगळ्या PE टिचरांक फ्रॉम द एडेड स्कूल, गव्हर्मेंट स्कूल, हाय सेकंडरी ह्या सगळ्या जाणांक सेल्फ डिफेन्स कशा पद्दतीन तांकां शिकपाक म्हणजे प्रिलिमिनरी तांकां जें कळपाक जाय, प्रायमरी तांकां कितें करूंक जाय हें शिकोवचें आनी ते विदीन दॅट PE पिरियड हें शिकोवचें म्हणजे तितूनच ते कशा पद्दतीन एकोमोडेट करूंक शकतले हाजो विचार करून आमी डिपार्टमेंटान ऑलरेडी डिसिजन घेतला की PE टिचरांक ट्रेनिंग दिवपाचें आनी PE टीचर हे जे आहा पळय न्हू हे सकयल तांकां लेवल सकयल प्रत्येक म्हणजे गर्ल्स स्टुडंट आसतले हांकां शिकोवपा खातीर ते प्रमोट करतले शिकयतले हाजी हांव खात्री दिता कारण सेपरेटली स्पीकर सर दर इज आमकां टायम एलोकेट करून स्कुलांनी शिकोवप इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट आसा कारण रेमेडियल क्लासीस बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो क्लासीस आसा आनी हे सगळें करता आसतना सुद्दां हांव इतकी खात्री दिता की PE टिचरांक आमी वेल ट्रेन करून तांकां शिकोवपाची प्रोविजन जी आसा हातूंतल्यान करता हांव ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिता आनी डॉक्टर देविया राणी हांच्यांनी मांडल्या उपरांत हांवें स्पेशली तांकां रिक्वेस्ट करता की अशा पद्दतीची सेल्फ डिफेन्सचे धडे दिवपी PE टिचरांक आमी ट्रेन करता आनी ते वचून सकयल्या लेवलाचेर ट्रेन करतले हें सांगल्या उपरांत तेंच्यांनी आयचें प्रायवेट रेजोल्युशन फाटीं घेवचें.
Honorable member.
Yes.
The question is that leave be granted to withdraw the resolution. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The resolution is withdrawn.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.